everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Couponing Sunday at CVS, and happy New Year's Eve to each and every one of you guys. I am just so completely grateful and so blessed for another year of life, spending it with my family, my friends, and obviously with you guys, this YouTube community. I'm just so grateful for all the opportunities. We have a lot of digital deals going on in store, and I also have a 10 off of 70 scenario for you guys. So yeah, so this is the new bi-weekly ad promotion for CVS. So let's go into the store and grab all of these amazing digital deals. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome, and thank you guys so much for joining me. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. It is completely free to do so. I will love to have you here. And also hit the notification bell for more deals and savings, and give this video a big thumbs up as well, because it really does help out the channel. And to all the returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back and tuning into my videos. I am just so grateful for you guys. And I'm just super happy and super excited. My channel has grown so much, and it's been less than a year. So right now I'm currently at 1,880 subscribers. My goal was to reach 2,000 subscribers at the end of this year. Obviously today's the end of this year. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but it's okay. It's a whole new year, new opportunities, and I'm gonna put everything in God's hands because I'm just so happy and so grateful. So CVS is officially running on bi-weekly promotions, meaning that the sales are going to last for obviously 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do on my channel is basically do another CVS haul on Sunday and possibly another CVS must-do deals. The reason why I'm saying that is because we have some coupons that expire this week, and we also have coupons and CRTs that expire the next week, okay? And per the ad says offer limit 1 per household per week. So we are running on a bi-weekly promotion, so by the looks of it, we can do a deal per week. So let's see how that goes, all right? So I'm going to be mentioning you guys some deals that it's best to do this week because we have coupons expiring on the 6th. And then I'm showing you guys deals where coupons expire like next week, not next week, the 13th or the 17th or the 20th. Some coupons kind of do last the whole month, which is awesome. So we're able to do those deals. So yeah, so now let's pop onto the store and grab all of these amazing digital deals. Let's go. Woo! So our next deal is on the General Mills cereals. This week they're going to be on promotion for $1.99. So you can go ahead and pick up any one that you like. I love these so much. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these for a total of $3.98. I currently do not have a digital coupon, so check your CVS app if you do. So I'll pay the $3.98. Plus, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 cash back, making the final cost just $1.49 per box of cereal. So our next deal is on some cookies. This includes the Chips Ahoy and Oreos and Belvita. They're on promotion 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $2 extra buck. And these offer limit is 1 per household per week. So you can go ahead and pick up 3 of these for a total of $12.49. I do have this $3 off a 10 snack CRT, and it does expire today. So I recommend doing this deal today. You'll pay $9.49 at the register, but you'll get back a $2 extra buck, making the final cost just $2.50 each, which is a super good deal. So our next deal is on the Poise pads or liners. They're on promotion 2 for $13, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $2 extra buck, and the offer limit is 1 per household per week. So you can go ahead and pick up 2, any that you like. I'll probably go ahead and do the panty liners. So for 2 of these products, it is a total of $13. We have this $5 off a 2 digital coupon. You will be left to pay just $8 at the register, but you'll get back that $2 extra buck, making the final cost just $6 for both, or $3 a piece. So this coupon does expire on the 6th, so I recommend doing this deal this week. So our next deal is on the Crest 3D White Toothpaste. These are on promotion for $3.99, and when you buy 3, you'll get back a $5 extra buck, and the offer limit is twice per household per week. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these for $3.99 each, and we do have this $2 digital coupon for 1 of these products. You're also going to go ahead and pick up 1 of these toothbrushes priced at $3.99 as well, and we also have a $2 digital coupon for the toothbrush as well. For these 3 items, it is a total of $11.97. You're going to use those digital coupons, taking off $4. You'll be left to pay just $7.97 at the register, but you'll get back that $5 extra back, making the final cost just $2.97 for all 3, or just 99 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. And these coupons do expire on January the 27th, so you could do this deal this week or next week. So our next deal is on the Colgate Total toothpaste. They're on promotion. When you spend $10, you'll get back a $4 extra back, and the offer limit is twice per household per week. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 of these for a total of $10.58. You're going to use this $4 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay just $6.58 at the register, but you'll get back that $4 extra back, making the final cost just $1.29 each. And this coupon does expire on the 13th, so you could do the deal this week or next week. So our next deal is on the Crest Brilliance. They're on promotion for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $4 extra back, and the offer limit is twice per household per week. So this is a pretty decent deal. So you can go ahead and pick up these, or this is also part of the promotion, and we have a separate digital coupon. So go ahead and pick up 2 of these for $6.99. That will bring your total up to $13.98. We have a $5 off a 2 digital coupon, leaving you left to pay just $8.98. You'll get back that $4 extra buck, making the final cost just $2.49 each. You can also go ahead and do this scenario. These are priced at $6.99 as well, the gum detoxify. So pick up 2 for $13.98, and we have a separate $5 off a 2 digital coupon for these products. You'll pay at the register just $8.98. You'll get back that $4 extra buck, making it just $2.49 each. These coupons do expire on January the 27th, so you could do this deal whenever you like. So our next deal is on the Gillette and Venus disposable razors. They're priced at $6.99, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $3 extra buck, and the offer limit is 1 per household per week. So you can go ahead and pick up one of these Venus razors for $6.99, and we do have a $3 digital coupon for this product. Next, you're going to go ahead and pick up a men's disposable razor, also priced at $6.99, and we do have this $3 digital coupon. Both coupons do expire on the 27th, so you can go ahead and do this deal when you like. For 2 of these products, it is a total of $13.98, but we have $6 in digital coupons. You'll be left to pay just $7.98 at the register, but you'll get back that $3 extra back, making the final cost just $2.49 each one, which is not a bad deal. If you have a 10 off of 70, they'll end up being way cheaper. So our next deal is on the Burt bess sheet mask. They're on promotion. When you buy 2, you'll get back a $4 extra back, and they're priced at $3.19. So you could go ahead and pick up 2 for $6.38. We have this $2 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay just $4.38 at the register, but you'll get back that $4 extra back, making the final cost just 38 cents for both, or just 19 cents a piece, which is super amazing. This coupon does expire on January the 17th, so you could do it this week or next week or whenever you like. So our next deal is on the Garnier facial cleansing or facial care. They're on promotion, buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 extra buck, and the offer limit is 1 per household per week. So I really want to try off the peel off mask. They're priced at $9.29. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 for a total of $13.94. We have a $2 off a 10 CRT, and there's also this $2 digital coupon, which it does expire today. You'll be left to pay just $9.94, but you'll get back that $5 extra buck, making the final cost just $2.47 each one, which is a really good deal. So like I mentioned, the coupon does expire today, so definitely do this deal this week. Next deal is on the Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on promotion. When you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 extra buck, and the offer limit is 1 per household per week. So you can go ahead and pick up the products that you guys need the most. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the foundations. They're priced at $10.29. And you can also go ahead and pick up the baby lips. They're priced at $5.19 each one. For both of these products, it is a total of $16.09. You're going to use that $3 off any Maybelline CRT and this $3 off of 15 Maybelline CRT. You'll be left to pay just $10.09, but you'll get back that $5 extra buck, making the final cost just $2.55 each, which is a pretty decent deal. These coupons, well, CRTs do expire on the 6th, so you could do this deal if you need to this week. Next deal is on the Nivea body lotions. They're on promotion. When you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 extra buck, and the offer limit is 1 per household per week. So you can go ahead and pick up 2 of these priced at $6.49. That's going to bring your total up to $12.98. We do have this $1.50 digital coupon, and you could also go ahead and print a coupon from the coupons.com website. That's going to take off $3. You'll be left to pay just $9.98 at the register. You'll get back that $5 extra buck, making the final cost just $2.49 each. The digital coupon does expire on the 6th, so you can go ahead and do this deal this week. And also, if you do have a $3 off of 12 lotion CRT, these will end up being way cheaper. So our next deal is on the spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenario. So you could go ahead and pick up one of these Tide Pods. They're priced at $13.49, and we do have a $3 digital coupon for this product. And the Scott paper products are also included. This is priced at $10.79, and this is a big pack. You could also go ahead and you can pick a Scott paper towels if you do like. They're priced at $10.49 as well, and there is a 50-cent printable coupon on the scott.com website. Next, you could go ahead and pick up one of these Downy beads. They're priced at $6.99, and we do have a $2 digital coupon for this product. For all of these products, it is a total of $31.27, and we have $5 in digital coupons. You'll be left to pay just $26.27, but you'll get back that $10 extra buck, making the final cost just $16.27 for all 3 items. If you have a 10 off of 70, these will end up being way cheaper. A different scenario you could do for the spend a 30, get back a $10 extra buck is on the Head & Shoulders. You can go ahead and pick up 2 of these for $12, and we do have a $3 digital coupon for these products. So for all of these products, it is a total of $32.48. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, a $2 digital for the Downy, and a $3 digital for the Head & Shoulders. You'll be left to pay just $24.48, but you'll get back that $10 extra buck, making the final cost just $14.48 for all 4 items, or just $3.62 each one, which is not a bad deal. These coupons do expire on January the 27th, so you could do this deal this week or next week. So this is our 10 off of 70 scenario. This is $70.22 worth in products, and we have $30 in digital coupons, including the 10 off of 70. You'll pay $40.22 at the register, and yes, you could definitely roll in some extra bucks to lower your out-of-pocket cost, because that is a very high out-of-pocket. But you'll get back a $10 extra buck for the laundry deal, a $5 extra buck for the Crest, a $3 extra buck for the Venus and Gillette razors, and a $2 extra bucks for the Poise pads. That's going to make your final cost just $20.22 for all 10 items, or just $2.02 a piece. So imagine getting that huge pack of toilet paper for just $2.02, and obviously laundry care products. This is such a good scenario. Alright guys, we are back at home, and this is my itty bitty little haul that I did today, and I'm going to explain to you guys what happened. So number 1, my son was having a fit in the store because his tablet died, like the battery went low, it died. So he was having a fit, and then number 2 is that the 10 off of 70 that I had, I don't know, it wasn't there, I didn't have it anymore. So I was like, oh, let me go buy a bottle of water, which I bought, to see if the 10 off of 70 prints out at the end of my receipt. But it didn't, so I did not do the 10 off of 70 because of that. So I can just go over final cost for all of these products right here. All right, so those are the Garnier peeling mask. They were priced at $9.29. The other one was half off. And the the Burt's Bees sheet mask. They were priced at $3.19. So as you can see, that is the Skin Active digital coupon, the Burt's Bees digital, the 2 off of 10 Garnier CRT, and I rolled in $9 in extra bucks, and I paid $5.31 subtotal, but with taxes it was $5.65. I got back the $5 extra buck for the Garnier and a $4 extra buck for the Burt's Bees. And guess what decided to print out? The 10 off of 70, guys. I was just like, oh my god, really? Really, really, really? But at this point, like I said, my son was having a fit because his tablet died, and I couldn't really like record more in the store because of it. But anyway, we are back at home. We are good to go, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year. And I will see you guys all on the next one. Let me know if you have any questions or anything below. Have an amazing and blessed New Year's, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.